sleeping apparently used to be a bit of a nightmare for Jennifer Aniston. The actor has for decades dealt with sleep issues, including insomnia, sleepwalking and sleep anxiety, she told People in a recent interview. I think it started somewhere in my 30s or even earlier, but you just don't start to notice the effects of a lack of sleep when we're younger because we're so invincible, she told the magazine. The Friends star, who skyrocketed to fame in her mid-20s while starring as Rachel Green in the 90s sitcom, said she even used to sleepwalk when she was particularly sleep-deprived. I have been known to do that. I've been woken up by house alarms going off that I've set off, she said. And I don't think I do that anymore. She has since sought medical advice and manages her sleep difficulties with a nighttime ritual that includes yoga or stretching, leaving her phone outside the bedroom and sticking to a set bedtime when possible. According to the American Sleep Association, 50 million to 70 million adults in the US have some kind of sleep disorder. Insomnia is the most common, with about 30% of adults experiencing short-term insomnia and roughly 10% suffering from chronic insomnia. Aniston made the revelations while promoting a new campaign, Seize the Night and Day, educating Americans about insomnia and sleep science.